Today I'm going to show you a unique yet super simple way to make a fluffy omelet in just a few minutes. The result looks elegant, like something from a five-star restaurant, but you can easily make it at home. Light, airy, and incredibly delicious. Take 2 bowls. Carefully crack the egg, separating the yolk from the white. Pour the egg white into one bowl and the yolk into another. Add a pinch of salt to the yolk, then mix it with a fork until smooth. Now take 1 teaspoon of sugar and add it to the egg white. Now take a mixer or a handheld frother. Whisk the egg white until it becomes smooth, creamy, and fluffy. Take your time here. The texture should be light, airy, and stable. Once you reach a creamy consistency, add the yolk mixture into the whipped egg white. Gently mix everything together until smooth and well combined. Now take a pan and heat it up. Once it's hot, add about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Spread the oil evenly using a silicone brush. Then slightly lower the heat. Carefully pour the mixture into the pan. Gently tilt the pan left and right so the mixture spreads evenly. Use a silicone spatula to smooth the surface if needed. Cook until the bottom turns golden and slightly set. Now carefully flip it over using a silicone spatula or a spoon. After flipping, continue cooking on low heat for about 1 to 2 minutes until it becomes fully cooked, golden, and ready to serve. And here it is, our fluffy omelet is ready. It looks simple, but there is real elegance behind it. Golden, soft, and incredibly tender inside. A dish like this may look basic, but it tastes like something from a high-end restaurant. Light, airy, and full of flavor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And tell me in the comments where you are watching from.